Hi guys, it's yours truly once again, Jeremiah, also the CEO of Jerry's FOREX Academy. So today I'll be taking you guys on a very interesting topic titled Candlesticks and Pattern and Analysis. Okay, and so please, if you've not watched my previous videos on introduction to Forex, on risk management and position sizing, I encourage you to please go watch those videos, okay? It's on my YouTube channel, and if you are yet to subscribe, please I encourage you to do subscribe and turn on the notification bell because as I keep releasing, I'll be releasing more and more videos so you could access it because the aim is you being able to gain mastery when it comes to forex trading. Okay, that's what my YouTube channel is being dedicated for, is to impact lives and knowledge. And so today we'll be looking at a very interesting topic titled Candlestick Pattern and Analysis. All right, so let's dive deep into it. Now, these are the candlesticks, okay, when it comes to forex trading. And now in candlestick, I want to establish this fact that colors are not necessary. Okay, it could be red, it could be blue, whichever is not necessary, it's not so important. But at this point, I want to explain something here. When it comes to candlestick in forex trading, this is how candlestick appears. Okay, and also if you look at this closely, from this point, the color, this red candlestick to this point is called the body. Likewise, on this blue candle, you can see on this green candle rather, this is called the body because that's why it's titled candlestick body. Okay. Now, if you look at this point, this is where the candlestick opened, and this is where the candlestick closed. Meaning the candlestick opened at this point, and then went up a little to create this weak highs, okay, to create this weak high, and then came down to this point to create these weak lows, and then came back and closed at this point. Okay, same thing with this point, with this other candlestick. It opened below, went down to create this weak low, and then went up again to create this weak high, and then came back and closed. So since this the first one over here, since it opened at the top, closed below, is regarded as a bearish candlestick. Okay, since it opened above and closed below, is regarded as a bearish candlestick. While this other one, since it opened below and closed above, is regarded as a bullish candlestick. Okay, that's all about candlestick. And I did mention that colors are not necessary. Okay, now when it comes to candlestick pattern, there are different candlesticks. As you can see, the first one, this is the big white candlestick. Okay, and then if you look at it, this is the big black candle. Okay, and then if you look at it, this is the doji candle. All right. Like if you notice that I said that's why I said there's need for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel because it's not just candlestick alone. I'll teach you guys in my subsequent videos how you're going to trade, how you're going to trade using candlestick pattern, consolidation analysis, support trade trend line, counter trend. There's a whole lot going to learn in this YouTube channel when it comes to forex trading. Is the reason why I say you should subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not. Okay, like today we are looking at candlestick. Like at this point, I'm just showing you candlestick, how you can identify them. As we progress in this teaching, I'll be showing you guys how you can trade with this candlestick. So please, I encourage you to please stay glued to this video. So as you can see at this point, this is a doji candle, okay? While this is a dragonfly candle. Please, I want to explain something as well. When it comes to candlestick, okay, don't need to really. It's not a must to know this candlestick by name. It's not so necessary. Speaking as a professional who has been trading for so many years now, for more than 5 years. Okay, these candlesticks are not necessary to know them by name. Okay, all what is important is just know them by okay, this is how it is. It comes in this shape. Okay, that's all. You don't need to know them by name. Okay, so knowing them by name is just a kind of a for formality's sake. I repeat, knowing them by name is just for formality. Just know them by eye. You can look and identify them. Okay, these are it appears. Okay, all right. So the names are not so necessary. Okay, like this one now, you can see it came back. You know, this is a gravestone dodge. You can see it open, close at this point. You can see this one how it appeared. This is a hanging man candlestick. Okay, if you look at it on when we come to charts, you'll be seeing all these candlesticks as it comes in chart. You know, it's in the charts. Okay, which I'll show you this as we progress in this video. If you look at it, this is a hammer. Okay, if you also look at it, this is an inverted hammer. Okay, if you look at this is also an inverted black hammer. We have it here, big black candle. This is a spinning top. And then this is a shaven head. You can see how it is. This is a shaven bottom. This is a barobozu. As I did say, the names are not necessary. All you need to know is just know them by just the eyes. Okay, these are candlesticks. Okay, it comes this way. Okay, that's all. And you are fine. You trade and be profitable. Okay. Now in candlesticks, there is of two types. We have two candlestick pattern. We have three candlestick patterns. Okay. And in these two candlestick pattern, as you can see we have the bullish candlestick pattern, we have the bearish candlestick pattern. Now, in this bullish candlestick pattern, remember we are looking at the two candlestick pattern. These are two. We are looking at these two criteria now, or these two conditions. Now, in this bullish two candlestick pattern, we have the bullish engulfing. Now, this is what you need to pay close attention to because at this point, this is very important for you to pay close attention because this candlestick at this point is what shows or signifies, trend reversal. If the trend is going to be a continuous, a bullish continuous trend, or there wants to be a change in trend, okay, this candlestick at this point is very important to pay attention to. So you can see this is the bullish engulfing, and if you notice this the second candle opened and closed above the body of this candle. This is what you need to take note of. Okay, that's why it's called a bullish. It opened and it closed. Look at this above the body of this red candle, which you can see. That's why it is called bullish engulfing. This shows trend reversal. Don't worry, as we progress in this teaching, you're going to understand what I mean by trend reversals, okay, or trend continuation as the case may be. Now, this is the piercing line. This is also a two candlestick bullish condition, okay? When you see this, it tells you that this is a piercing line, okay? Candlestick pattern. This is a tweezer button, as you can see. The second candlestick open and close above the body of this. So this is the twisting button. As I said, knowing the names are not necessary. Just understand the whole psychology behind this candlestick, okay? Most especially this bullish engulfing, knowing that it open and close above. Look at this here, look at this other one, it's open and close above. All right. So this is a bullish harami. This doesn't show a trend continuation. Okay, at this point you will need another candlestick to complement this. You will understand what I mean as we progress. So this is a bullish harami and this is a bullish ticker. Okay, this candlestick, you can see this one, the second open and close above the body. So this is a clear indication of a bullish trend, okay, or a trend continuation. Likewise, this twister button and this bullish engulfing. So most of the times in the chart, if you want to know when a trend want to start forming, okay, you see something like this. It always comes most of the time. 90% of the time it comes in this form, this bullish engulfing, or it comes in this form, or it comes in this form, this bullish kicker, or this twister button. You can see how it is bottom, and then this bullish kicker. So you can see the bullish engulfing, the twister bottom, and the bullish kicker. They are the three most important candlestick patterns you should pay close attention to. Then look at this one. This is a bullish counter. It barely comes. It doesn't show a perfect trend reversal. Okay. When I look at this bearish engulfing, you can see the same thing that I explained. You can see this the second candle closed below it. Okay, that's why it is called bearish engulfing. This shows trend reversal. And this is a bearish, this is also a bearish counter. As I said, the names are not necessary. Okay, just know them by eye. That okay, this the body one open and close below the body, so this will show a bearish move. You can see the twister top. Okay, you can see the second candlestick closed below this, the first one. So this is a clear sign of trend reversal. So you can see the bearish engulfing is a perfect indication of trend reversal. Likewise, the twister top, you can see the second close below it. This is a bearish Harari. You can see this is not a perfect trend reversal candlestick. That cloud cover, this is not a perfect. And then the bearish kicker, this is another one. This bearish kicker is a perfect indication of a change in trend. So in this bearish condition also, you can see the bearish engulfing, the twister top, and then the bearish kicker. These three are the most important you should take note of when it comes to a bearish movement, okay? And then what is also the three conditions. Remember I told you when it comes to candlestick, there are two conditions and three conditions. That is two candlestick pattern, three candlestick pattern. So over here, we are done looking at the two candlestick pattern. I want to look at the three candlestick pattern, okay? All right. And once again, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I encourage you to please subscribe so you would be alerted when I release more and new videos, so you could watch and gain mastery when it comes to trading. All right. So look at this candlestick, and please also take note that this candlestick can be used across whatever commodity, whatever what instruments, financial instruments you are trading, be it forex, be it stocks, be it commodities, be it crypto. You can use all these candlesticks I'm showing you to trade them. So these are universally acclaimed candlesticks I'm showing you. Okay. So looking at the three candlestick conditions now, this we want to look at the bullish candlestick pattern. Now look at this. You can see in the bullish, now let's look at the three conditions. But we'll look at the two conditions. Let's see the three conditions. Now, in these three conditions, look at this morning star. You can see, now don't forget, we are looking at a bullish condition, okay? So you can see the first, the second. Now, look at the third candlestick pattern. The third one closed above, finished and closed above the second candlestick. So this is a clear indication of what? A change in trend, okay? Or a trend reversal. And then look at this other one. This is a bullish abandoned baby. Remember I told you the names are not necessary. Okay, just know them by eye. You can see this other one, the third candlestick opened and closed above the second one. And you see, look at the third condition again. Remember we are looking at bullish condition. Please don't get yourself confused. Look at this again. At this point, you can see this is three white soldiers. You can see the third candlestick closed above the second and above the first. So this is a clear indication of a bullish trend. Okay. Also look at this three line strike. You can see the fourth candlestick closed above this third, second, and first. So this is a clear indication of a what? A bullish trend. That's why we call it bullish candlestick pattern. Look at this doji. Look at this other one, the doji morning star candlestick. Okay, the morning doji star. You can see the third one close above the second candlestick. This third candlestick close above it. So this is a clear indication of what? A bullish trend. Okay. Look at this three outside up. You can see the third candlestick as usual opened and closed above the second candlestick and the first. So this is a clear indication of a bullish trend. Also look at these three inside up. You can see the third candlestick open and close above the second and the first. So this is a clear indication of a bullish trend. Once again, the names are not necessary. Okay, just understand them by eyes. Just looking at it and understand the whole scenario. That if it's for a three candlestick pattern, the third candlestick should open and close above the wick, so above the body of the second candle. I repeat, the third, if it's a three candlestick pattern, the third candlestick should open and close above the body of the second candlestick, and that will give you a bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, and then for a bearish candlestick pattern, you can see. Now look at the three candlestick pattern. This is a bearish abandoned baby. You can see the third candlestick, which is this, opened and closed below the second candlestick. Can you see? So this is a clear indication of a what? A downward trend, a bearish trend. Likewise, the three black crows. You can see the third candlestick opened and closed below the second candlestick, which is a clear indication of what? A downward trend, a bearish trend, and it's called the three black crows. Once again, names are not necessary. Just understand it by eyes. Likewise, if you look at this, we have the evening doji star. You can see the third candlestick opened and closed below the second candlestick. Can you see? So this is called the what? So this is a bearish candlestick pattern, and it's called the evening doji star. Okay, likewise, this you can see as well that the third candlestick opened and closed below the first candlestick. So this is all about candlestick when it comes to looking at their pattern. Remember, I've shown you the two conditions and the third conditions, and the two candlestick pattern and the three candlestick pattern shows trend reversals. Okay. Now look at this. We also look at this now. We have the reversal candlestick patterns. And remember, I told you the reversal candlestick pattern is divided into two. We have the two candlestick pattern and the three candlestick pattern. Now look at the evening star, as you can see on my screen. Now for the evening star, you can see the three candlestick pattern. Okay. Now look at this. The third candlestick finish and close below this. This is an evening star, and it shows a trend reversal. Just what I've just explained. You can see this trend reversal because the third finished below. You can see this is a bullish candlestick reversal because it finished above. That is called an liberation candlestick pattern. You can see, look at the two conditions scenario. You can see this is a bullish because the second one finished and closed above the body of the first. This is how you can identify them. This is also a bullish because the third candlestick finished and closed above the body of the second, like that. Okay, as I said, the names are not necessary, just know them by eyes. Alright, look at this other one, the bearish engulfing candlestick. Why is it bearish? Because the second candlestick opened and closed below the body of the first candle. That's why it is called a bearish engulfing candle. Alright, so that's all there is to know about reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, now let's also look at the top 5 forex candlestick pattern. The top 5 forex candlestick pattern are the doji candlestick pattern, the hammer candlestick pattern, the shooting star candlestick pattern, the bullish engulfing, and the bearish engulfing. So most of the times when it comes to change in trend reversal, most of the time it comes in this form. Okay, like for the doji, you can see the second candlestick closed below the body of this candlestick pattern. Now in this case, understand that this is an indecision reversal warning. Okay, because what we are seeing, we are just seeing more of weak, and what we are interested in while trading is the body of the candlestick being formed. Don't worry, as we progress in the teaching and in my subsequent videos, you're going to understand in detail what I mean. Okay, so over here you can see the body of this is more of weak, and the bodies are very weak. So that is regarded as an indecision reversal warning candlestick pattern. Look at this other one, the hammer candlestick. Okay, you can see that this one is no longer the weak, the body is being formed. And if you see the second, in this week, in this center where my mouse is, if you look at the second candlestick, you can see that the body of the candlestick opened and closed above the body of this candlestick. That's why it is called a reversal, and it's a bullish reversal. Look at it, that's why it's called a reversal exhaustion bullish candlestick pattern. Once again, the names are not important. Just understand the idea behind the candlestick pattern and what made it to be a bullish or a bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, so that being said, look at the condition of a shooting star. Okay, for a shooting star, you can see the where my mouse is. Okay, now look at the next candlestick. You can see that it's opened and closed below the body of this candle. That's why it is regarded as a bearish reversal candlestick. Okay. Now look at this other one, bullish engulfing. You can see that the second candlestick opened and closed above the body of this first one. That's why it's regarded as a bullish reversal strength. Okay. Then look at this other condition, a bearish engulfing. You can see that. Now look at this. You can see that the body of this candle finished and closed below the first candle. That's why I call it a reversal bearish sell-off. Okay. So these are the top 5 forex candlestick pattern. And once again, I did mention that the names, knowing them by name is not necessary. Just know them by eye. Just have an understanding of this of a bullish candlestick pattern and a bearish candlestick pattern, and the conditions that if it's for a bullish candlestick pattern, the second candlestick pattern should open and close above the first. And if it's a three conditions, a three candlestick pattern, the third candlestick pattern should finish and close above the second. And with that, you are good to go. Okay, if you're bullish, the same applies for bearishness. Now look at this. Let's see a graphical representation of what I've been saying. You can see this is a hammer candlestick pattern and this is a downtrend. Okay. Now if you look at this closely, what do you notice at this point of reversal? Look at this. Remember the market. This price has been coming down, closing below, closing below, closing below. Can you see? But when it got to this point, there was a change in trend. It gave us this candlestick now opened above this. All the while, the second candlestick has been closing below. You can see this close below, this one close below, this one close below, this one did not close below. So this is an indecision candlestick pattern. So you have to wait for the next candlestick. This other one closed below this. So this here is a bearish trend, But at this point, this also closed below, but the next one now closed above. So this is an indication of a change in trend. And it gave us a hammer candlestick sign. And I told you hammer, the name is not important. What is important is the rationale behind how the candlestick is being opening and how they are closing. Now, if you look at the second one, the candlestick opened and closed above the body of this first candlestick. This is what shows a trend reversal. So you can see that we are now coming from a downtrend to a bullish trend. And the reason why they are buying, that's why it is written buy a buy signal. Okay? So what you do, you place your stop loss here, your entry price will be at this point, your take profit will be at the next level here. Okay? So this is how this was. And then let's see the hammer. The same, this was a bullish trend. Okay? But now, if you notice, the candle has been opening above, as we close rather above, this one closed above, this one did not close above, so this is an indecision candle. The next candle, which is this red, now closed above, this closed the same level. So this is an indecision candlestick. You shouldn't be trading at this point. You wait for the next candlestick. Now look at this other candlestick. It closed above, this closed above, this closed above, but this other one now came and closed below. So this is a signal of a change in trend. Okay, so it has now moved from an uptrend that you see. It has moved from an uptrend to now the downtrend. Okay, and that's why it's called a sell signal. Because at this point you sell, your stop loss will be above the week of the candle, and then your take profit will be at this point. Okay, so this is how the candlestick pattern is all about. Don't worry, as we progress in my subsequent teaching, I'll teach you how you trade, how you can place your stop losses and the trading psychology and all. For now, I'm just showing you all there is to know about candlestick pattern. Okay? I'm not showing you trading, I'm not showing you strategy yet. I'm just showing you candlestick pattern. Alright, so look at this. If you look at this chart, okay, you can see at this point the market was on a bullish trend. So why? Why is it on a bullish trend? Because it has been opening and closing above the candle. This other one closed above the candle, but when it got to this point, this candle now closed below this candle. So this is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay? And this is a signal, this is a sell signal, and it shows a change in trend. Okay, it shows that price has changed from an uptrend, which is this, to a downtrend, which is this. Okay? So this price was now on the downtrend because it has been closing below each of the candle. It has been closing below, and below. But when it got to this level, when it got to this level, you can see it still continues downtrend. But now when it got to this level, when it got to this point of a downtrend, when it got to this level, you can see it now changed to an uptrend because the candle now closed above it. When it got to this level, it now changed direction to still a downtrend. So the overall direction of this whole trend is a downtrend. Okay. So what do you notice here as well in this candlestick pattern? You can see it has been on a downtrend, now in an uptrend. Now look at this point. It has been on a downtrend. Why? Because the candlestick has been closing below the body of the previous candle. But when it got to this point, what do you notice? This other candlestick now opened and closed above this doji candle. Sorry, this hammer formation candle. Can you see? Remember, I told you that the names are not necessary. Okay? But you can see that the body of this candle now came and closed above this candle. The body of this candle. This is what indicates and shows to us that it's a change in trend. And why were we also convinced that it's a change in trend? Because this candle that opened, this for this is a three candlestick bullish this is a three condition candlestick pattern, okay, and the bullish engulf. You can see that this candlestick, okay, opened and closed above the first candle. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. So this is a clear indication to us that this is a bullish trend, and you can see how it's all went. Okay, so you can see stop loss was placed below the wick of the candle, take profit above this level, and that's it. This is how we trade. Okay, and remember, I'm not showing you trading strategy, I'm just showing you candlestick pattern. Okay, how they are formed and how they are being applied. Okay, so what I'm showing you, I'm just showing you candlestick, how you can identify them. I'm not showing you how you can further identify them on the chart and how you can trade them. So you can see this is also a hammer candlestick pattern. You can see this was on a downtrend. Why was it on a downtrend? Because it has been opening and closing below the body of the previous candle. So it has been closing and it has been opening and closing below the body of the previous candle until it got to this point. It was at this point that there was a change in trend. You can see that the candlestick now opened and closed above the body of this candle. And this signifies to us once again is a change in trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. And it's at this point you enter the trade, your stop loss will be below the wick of the candle, the next, and then your take profit will be at the next key level. And this is how you trade and make money for yourself. Okay, and then if you notice for the uptrend, the candlestick are now opening and closing above the body of the candle. You see this open and close above the body of the candle, above the body of the candle, above the body of the candle. Can you notice? Do you notice above the body of the candle? Okay. Now look at the other condition that I explained. The same thing. This bullish pin bar, you can see it open. It shows a change in trend from a downtrend, from a consolidation to an uptrend. So this was a breakout condition, and you can see that if the second candlestick opened and closed above this candlestick, you can see a bullish trend. This is a bearish condition. You can see that the second candlestick opened and closed below the body of this candle. This was a bearish trend or a downtrend. Okay. Likewise, these three long bullish candlestick conditions, you can see the same thing. This is a signal of a bullish trend. Why? Because the third candlestick opened and closed below the second candlestick, likewise the first candlestick. Okay, this is how you can identify them on the chart. Likewise, this candlestick pattern, this is on an uptrend. Why? Because it has been opening and closing above the body of the candle. This is a downtrend, a short retracement. Okay, and then continuous uptrend. You can see at this point there was a change in trend. Why was it a trend? Because from this point you can see the body of the candle open and close above the body of this candle. So this is what signifies to us a change in trend. This was also another mini change of a downtrend. So this is how you can identify candlestick pattern. Okay, and then as I said, I'll be releasing more videos on my subsequent lessons. Please anticipate, and if you find value in this video, please I encourage you to please like the video and then subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be releasing more and more videos. I've done videos on introduction to forex, to risk management, to position sizing, these on candlestick pattern, Other videos will be coming out on support and resistance, how you can trade trend line, counter trend, how you can trade using the Fibonacci, price actions and manipulation, top-down analysis. A lot of videos will be coming out on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, okay? And please, once again, if you find value in this video, please give it a like, share, and comment on the comment section below, and I'll answer all your comments, okay? All right, so please follow me on Facebook at Jerry's Forex Academy. And on this note, I'm wishing you all a very profitable trading journey. Likewise, to all my community of traders in Jerry's Forex Academy. And as always, you know, we are discovered towards raising profitable Forex traders. And as always, you are just one trade away. I love you.